That's how it's done, old son. What's up, guys? We're out here today, and I'm gonna be tearing this whole building down. Got my excavator, and basically this is a building that was used as a paper mill at one point, and you can see there's a tree growing in the building. No good. So this is a hazard to our client. They don't want kids in here. It's a public building, so there's a lot of risk if one of these walls fell and hit somebody. So it's in their best interest to get this removed and hauled out. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Follow along, like and subscribe. The thing was about ready to fall over on somebody. The thing was in a horrible shape. What's up, guys? So I've got a good portion of this wall. Like, I've got half the building about demoed, and I got it all piled up all nice and clean. I like to do that just because we're on a really busy road, so I'm trying to do the area that is hidden by these walls first and have it all nice and clean. So as soon as I knock this shit over, I can pile it up and then it looks done, and then people aren't driving by all nosy. It looks like just so abandoned. So right here, this is what this looked like right here, and now it looks like that. And then this will get recycled and it'll get reused. YouTube. So I got all the walls knocked down, pretty exposed. Damn, Mark, tear it up more. We got little monster truck Mark out here. He's about to do some hauling for me. Dude, this guy drives a monster truck and he can't even make it up a little baby hill. So Mark is backing the trailer right up to me. Now it's time to haul these suckers out. Let's go see what little J-Man's up to. Bro, you're the only guy I know that drives a monster truck that can't make it up a little hill. I'm just messing with you, buddy.
Hurry up, go load it.
I'm trying to get the clickbait. Don't tell me what to do. Look at him come and try to steal my content too. He just shows up and starts recording like he's a thief. That's what he is.